Hello, Chef here once again. We're talking about celery, and we happen to have organic celery. So, look at this closely. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Would you eat this? And also, do you seek out organic and only buy organic? This is not looking good. It's one of those big chains, might be Whole Foods or I'm not sure, but anyway, tell us what you think about this celery and would you eat this uh, organic celery? Very, very interesting. Not sure what to say. Please leave a comment below. Have a great day and keep cooking. Selecting new countertop, an island, or possibly remodeling your kitchen? Contact the sponsor for deals on Butcher Block made in the USA. Highest quality at the lowest possible price.